Okay, y'all, this video is based off your image. What I mean is image. It's about how you present yourself on Facebook on your profile. So as you clearly see, I have my cover photo, my profile picture. I don't look all, I want I don't want to use the word slutty or dirty, but you know where I'm coming from. Like my profile picture look decent. Um, so when you go on my page, as you can see, I be posting positive stuff like this one. They told me I am too optimistic. I told them my blood type is B positive. Like, I like that. So what you want to do is like clean your Facebook up. Like, you don't have to go on there deleting stuff, but you could go on and post like a lot of motivational quotes, entrepreneur quotes, inspirational quotes. Like, just be positive. Put pictures of you on your wall with a heading, caption, or something. Like, see this one? I made this one myself. Like, just be positive on your wall. Clean your image up. See, like, I'm talking about where we're going next week. All thanks to MCA. Like, this. That's kind of funny. Just clean your Facebook up, okay? Don't be on there talking junk. Don't be on there talking about fighting. Don't be sharing videos of negative stuff. If you're gonna share videos of positive stuff. Post it on your wall. Like, nobody don't want to follow a leader that talks about negative stuff. They want to be under a leader that's very positive, motivated, and focused. See, as you can see, my wall is clean. My image is clean. I'll be doing contests every now and then. I just actually started it on yesterday. It's 12 hours, so yesterday. Had 2 winners. I do stuff like that to draw attention to you. See, second winner. But yeah, just clean your Facebook up. Be positive. Post positive stuff. If somebody piss you off that day, don't go on Facebook like, oh, this bitch did this and I'm gonna fuck that bitch up. No. Keep that to yourself. When you do stuff like that, you can make yourself stronger. Don't give anybody the type of reaction that you are a negative person. Clean your image up on Facebook. If you have old photos of y'all drinking, smoking weed, go on your Facebook and put it to where you can set it as private. You ain't gotta go and delete your pictures. Let's see, albums. And you should be able to set it as private. I know some of them, I was trying to figure out how to do it, but just go and set certain profiles to private. Settings. I don't know what it says right now. But yeah, just clean your image up. Be presentable. Make somebody want to join you. Oh Lord, that's my sister. And also set your, this is my page too, ain't it? Also on your page, go on your settings and click who is allowed to post on your wall, because you don't want any and everybody posting on your wall. You're going to click timeline and tagging. Click who can post on your timeline. Friends. Review posts of friends tag you in before they appear in your timeline. On. And so on, so on, so on. And also, you're going to want to set your profile to public. Trying to see where at. Privacy. Yeah, see, set everything to public. So click privacy. Edit public. Who can see your friends list? Make sure that's only you, because you don't want anybody going on your friends list trying to see your friends. Who can send your friend requests? Everyone, 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 and no. So once again, all I want you to do is go clean your image up. I'll see you on the next video.